Check out our fully automatic cookie machine. It handles mixing, shaping, baking, and cooling all on its own. No extra hands needed. Add cookie ingredients. Mix at high speed, no lumps. Guaranteed. It's compatible with multiple molds to meet your needs. And custom designs are also available. Waterproof switch, numerical control, speed regulation, and precise control, effortless operation for perfect results. Every cookie has the exact same thickness and size, achieving perfect consistency. Crafted with high-quality materials, the stainless steel body ensures stability, efficient operation, and easy cleaning. Food-grade dedicated conveyor belt, flour-resistant for even better results. Widely applicable, this equipment saves time, reduces material waste, and cuts labor costs significantly. Direct factory sales with customization available.